This clip we're going to walk through a couple of quick tips for using PowerQuery. So I have this data which is loaded from PowerQuery. So I'm going to go up to my data connections and then open this up. Alright, so we have PowerQuery loaded here. So some quick things that I find useful would be, one thing is right click and duplicating. So you're able to duplicate these tables very easily. If you have a large query and you don't want to have to recreate all the different applied steps, what you can also do is reference. So this is very useful if you want to just reference the data set. Now when we look at our query settings, you'll see that the source, it's going to just reference back to the credit card statement. So that's one quick tip. Another tip is if you have multiple steps and you're trying to remove a step or maybe insert a step and you don't want anything to break, what you can also do is if you go to the Home tab and go to your advanced editor, you can copy this code, put it into a notebook or something, and then from there you can try making your changes. So let's just say, for example, I'm going to remove this, which will break the query, at least at the last step. As you can see, we have this error. So, you could try different things, and then if worse comes to worse, you can just go back into your advanced editor, and then just paste back in the original. So that's just a quick way to get around errors and not have to rebuild stuff. Obviously, also clicking on any of these steps will bring you back to the data in that form. So just keep that in mind when you're making these changes. So everything goes from step 1 all the way down to the last step. So hopefully these quick tips helped for you. Thanks.